Hi everyone. Today I'm going to walk you through the difference between following and connecting with people on LinkedIn. And really, I want to demonstrate to you how it can be a little bit confusing when you're going to someone's profile. So, following is just being able to see folks' commentary and posts within your news feed on this homepage. This gentleman, Adam Grant, at the top, he's a #1 New York Times bestselling author, and it really makes sense to follow him because it's unlikely I'm going to make a rich connection with him, and I just really want to know what he has to say. Connecting is building a deeper relationship, or at the very least, being able to message someone and get closer to their network, proximity, and degrees of separation. So, why can this be confusing? I've really wanted to connect with Claire. She's a career coach out of Vancouver. But when I go to her page, instead of a connection button, it has a follow button right here. Sometimes I can go to other people's pages and this button looks exactly the same, but it says connect. You want to make sure that when you're going to someone's page, you know whether you want to follow them or connect with them. And the vast majority of people you are going to want to connect with. So, where does that button live? It's under this More section, and you just click Connect. I always recommend adding a little note that personalizes it. Even if you know the person, just saying hi, or if you don't, why are you connecting? It helps link them to your page and make it a little bit more personal.